So many of you have figured out about using the tree diagram, but we're having some trouble on uh, using the fundamental counting principle in other ways. So I'm going to show you this problem, which most of you are doing using the tree diagram, another way of doing it, and then we're going to go on from there. So if you have uh, um, this problem, if you have two meat choices, three vegetable choices, and two dessert choices, how many meals can you make? Well, in the meat column, how many different choices do you have? It's two times how many different vegetable choices? Three times how many different dessert choices? Two, and two times three times two is 12. So you have 12 meal choices. You could do this the other way. You could do meat. There would be two meat choices and then three vegetable choices from each of those. And then from each of those, you would have two dessert choices and you would come up with the same 12. The reason I'm showing you this other way is because if you have a problem like this next one, it's probably going to be better to do it using multiplication. If you're making a three-letter secret code word and none of the letters can repeat, how many words can you make? So for your three letters, it looks like this. And how many choices of letters do you have for the first one? And there are 26 letters. And then if none of them can repeat and you've already used one, then you have 25 choices for your next letter. And if you've already used two letters, then and none of them can repeat, then you only have 24 choices for your next one, and you would just multiply those. Uh, Now, here's the exact same problem if you're making a three-letter secret code word and the letters can repeat. How many words can you make? Well, for the first letter, you have 26 choices. And then for the second letter, you can still have 26 choices. And then for the third letter, you would still have 26 choices, and you would multiply that out. And you could see that you would have many more choices if you're allowed to repeat. So that's just another way of looking at a tree diagram. They work exactly the same way, uh, but sometimes if you don't want to write out all 26 choices with a tree, this is a better way to look at it.